All right, so at this point, the wood is completely sanded. I just rubbed it down with a rag so I could make sure that there was no splinters that could pop up or anything like that. So this is the end result. I'm not going to get every single detail of weathering out, doing that on purpose so it can leave a little bit of character there for the piece. But came out very nice. Now we are about to apply the sealant and we'll see what it looks like after that. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed watching my outdoor bench restoration. Just finished that up. It's gonna be enjoyable. Now we can sit out here and listen to the birds, read a book, and really enjoy our outdoor patio into the canyon. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the page. Also comment below and let me know if there's anything I should add or anything I should have done differently to this bench. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.